scoops. Anybody in the market? Whew. Beautiful car, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, brother.
Wait till you see the convertible I'm working on at home.
Yeah, are you? So when did you get the Mustang?
I've had this for, it'll be 2 years in August.
2 years in August. And what year is it?
It's a 1971 Mach 1 Mustang.
Nice.
It's got the original numbers matching 351 Cleveland and C6 automatic tranny. It's an original 4-barrel carbureted car, a real Mach 1.
Tell the doctor you want to give me.
Before he got married, you guys remember then came Bronson? My father was an interesting gentleman. I'm the child of much older parents. My father was born in 1917. My father was an old school New England Viking. The high leather boots, the blouse, the pants, the white shirt, and tie on a Harley. Well, or an Indian if you could afford it. He always thought the Indians were well, my father was a mechanical genius kind of guy. He held a couple of patents. We had Ralph Nader at my house when I was a little kid. My father's thing was, he was always in pursuit of the 100-mile gallon Corvette. When I was a little kid,
Again,
What are your best races?
just
Total races, you know that, right? No.
I have no idea how that. We're gonna go down here. Slices.